In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your screen's sleep time in Windows 11. This is really useful if your screen keeps turning off too quickly while you're working, or if you want it to go to sleep sooner to save battery and energy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the setting is and how to customize it so it fits the way you use your computer. Let's start right on your Windows 11 desktop. Look for the Start button at the bottom of your screen, usually in the center of the taskbar. Go ahead and click the Start button once. This opens the Start menu, where you'll see your apps and a search bar. In the Start menu, find and click on the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear. If you don't see it right away, you can also type Settings into the search bar and then select the Settings app from the results. This will open the main Settings window, where you can control most of the behavior of your computer. On the left-hand side of the Settings window, you'll see a list of categories. Look for the one labeled System. Click on System to open the system-related settings, such as display, sound, and power options. Once you're in the System section, stay on the default System page and look for an option called Power and Battery. This is where Windows keeps all the settings related to how your device uses power, including when your screen goes to sleep. Click on Power and Battery to continue. In the Power and Battery section, scroll down until you see an area labeled Screen and Sleep. This is the key part for what we're doing. Here you'll see several drop-down menus that control when your screen turns off and when your PC goes to sleep, both on battery power and when it's plugged in. To adjust your screen's sleep time, look specifically for the options that say something like On Battery Power, Turn off my screen after, and when plugged in, turn off my screen after. Click the drop-down next to each one and choose the time that works best for you, such as 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or longer. If you want the screen to stay on indefinitely, you can choose never. But keep in mind that this may use more power and isn't ideal on a laptop battery. Once you've selected the times you prefer, you don't need to click Save. Windows 11 applies these changes automatically. You can now close the Settings window, and your new sleep timing will take effect right away. That's all you need to do to adjust your screen's sleep time in Windows 11.